Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Rizzy and I upload makeup related videos every now and then. And in today's video I'm going to share with you how I created this amazing caramel nude lips kind of makeup. This is pretty simple, pretty gorgeous, and it took me only 30 minutes to create this makeup look. The skin is actually glowing and the nude caramel lips are perfect for winter season. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. But before I go into the video, let me give a huge shout out to the jewelry that I'm wearing. This is from Jewels Galaxy, and this is an amazing brand which has very affordable jewelry rates, and these rings are amazing. I love these rings, and the butterfly earrings are awesome as well, and the coin necklace as well. Now let's get on with the video. So for prepping my skin, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Prep Primer. I apply this completely on my face and it actually minimizes pore and helps my makeup to stick better to the base. Next, I am spraying some hair setting spray on a spoolie and brushing my eyebrows upwards with this spoolie. This creates a soap eyebrow kind of effect, and my hairs are intact throughout the day with the help of this hack. I will be using an angled brow definer to define my brows and fill up any gaps. Next, as I was telling you guys, this is going to be a glowy makeup, so we are taking the MAC strobe cream. This is in the pink light shade and applying it all over my face for that inner glow. This glow will peep through the makeup. Next step, I will be taking the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Nude Beige. This is a shade lighter than my skin tone, but it looks good during the winter because otherwise my body is a little fairer than my face. So I'm applying it with a damp beauty blender, and this is an illuminating foundation, so it looks good on the skin. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Golden Beige, I believe, and this is the perfect shade for me, and it's very creamy and very high coverage. So I'm using a big blending brush to apply this. For my eyes, we are going to keep it very simple, a brown winged liner, which is kind of like a smoky winged liner, and I'm going to be using these palettes to create that look. First of all, I'm taking kind of like a tape or a piece of paper so that my wing is nice and sharp, and then I'm applying the lightest brown shade. Next, with a clean brush, I am going to buff out all the edges so that there is no harsh line that is visible for our winged eyeliner. I'm going to repeat this step, but now I'm going to take a pencil brush rather than a fuller brush so that the wing is more defined, and trying to clear up the wing. And next I will be taking the contour stick. This is from the K Beauty contour stick. This is in the shade Caramel Focus, I believe. This is really creamy and it gives me a nice chiseled look. This is by far most affordable and most amazing loose powder. This is from the Stay Quirky. To provide some warmth to my face, I'm using the Kiko Milano bronzer. This is in the shade, I don't remember the shade, I'll put it in the description box below, and this provides a nice, amazing, I'm also putting the bronzer kind of, on my crease and also on the skin. I just love it. To kind of like contour it a little bit, and also on my crease to define that wing. I have applied the Rufa Beauty Lila lashes off screen, and now we are on to the blush. I'm applying the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. This is in the shade Golden. I will apply it all over the high points of my face, cheekbones, nose, etc. I will also put some of the highlighter on the eyebrow arch just above the crease that we created, and merging it with my fingers. Also putting it on the inner corners of my eyes for that pop of highlight. I'm taking the Wet n Wild lip liner. This is in the shade Chestnut, and defining my lips. For my liquid lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Lakme Absolute Forever Matte. This is in the shade Nude Latte, and this looks absolutely gorgeous on my lips. This lipstick is pretty lightweight and does not move throughout the day, so I love this lipstick. Now to set my face, I'm going to spray some of the fixing spray on my beauty blender and lightly dab it across my face. This will melt all the makeup in and makes my skin look actually skin like. So this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and do not forget to check these videos out and subscribe to my channel.